Welcome to Relay AI4 K-Wall Printer. Install rail connection block and tighten with screws. Place the machine on the guide rail. Ensure complete gear and rack meshing. Installing the tablet. Connect the control cable and dongle. Place the electrical control cabinet on the machine. The control line connecting the computer and the electrical control cabinet. Connect all plugs on the electrical control cabinet. Remove the print head from the box. Install the print head. Three data cables connecting the print head. Pour the ink and open the air hose. Connect the power supply. Adjust the distance between the track and the wall. Power on. Remove the ink absorber. Open operating software. Select the picture you want to print. Enter the height of the image to be printed. The width of the image will automatically adjust according to the ratio. Select different printing accuracy and enter the corresponding ink density value. Click to output PRN. Wait for output progress to complete. After the output is complete, click to start printing. Do a color patch test before printing. After clicking the inkjet test, the print head will automatically rise to a certain height. Place a piece of white paper on the print head. In the test results, printing can only be started if there are no gaps or mixed colors in the color block. Move the cross cursor of the print head to the lower left corner of the printing starting point. Click the Auto. Choose Strong Color. Click Online. Click to start printing. The machine starts working. Click Suspend when finished printing. Retract print head. Lower the print head to the bottom. Cover the ink absorber. Turn off the power. Thanks for watching.